Are you tired of being turned down on application after application? Embarrassed at how people look at and judge you because your FICO score? Has your credit cost you your dream job? Or maybe that raise or promotion you are overqualified for? I feel your frustrations and your pain. The look you get while the two bankers whisper while glaring and laughing. I've been there before. I was a 460 score at the end of 2017 when I took action. 10 days later 19 of the 20 derogatory items were removed. By March I was a 700 score and got approved for my first $10,000 Visa card ever. The feeling I got when that screen said approved, followed by the plain white envelope with the hard plastic card in the mailbox. It felt like Christmas morning. But in April, I paid 4 different people over $3,500 to do this. Nothing but a waste of time and empty promises, leaving me hopeless that good credit would never come. So I made it my mission to understand and legally exploit every law, rule, and regulation I could. It was the best decision of my life, and I want to make it yours too. The training has 3 parts. The first, an overview of the industry, introduces who the players are, and the laws they follow. Then we look at the cost of bad credit, as if you didn't already know. Part 2 reveals the 7 best credit repair methods today. With these at your disposal, removal of virtually anything is now possible. Part 3 provides the contracts, letters, and templates needed to repair credit, or open your own company. Even the actual ads and proof documents I use to close the toughest of critics, are provided. Lending just one, pays for this program 5 times over. These methods work so fast, you will be filling out apps in less than a month. I am so sure of this, it's part of our zero-risk, money-back guarantee. But you must act now. Space is limited, and this program is only available for a short time. Put your name and email in the boxes below, because you deserve great credit.